The Tesla Model 3's electronic parking brake, or EPB, can sometimes fail to release, leaving the vehicle immobilized. This system differs from traditional mechanical brakes as it uses sensors, motors, and the car's computer for control. Several factors can cause this issue. Software glitches in the car's computer may lead to erroneous sensor readings. Hardware malfunctions, such as a faulty actuator, are another common cause. Environmental conditions like extreme cold or corrosion can also affect the system. This problem primarily affected Model 3 vehicles manufactured between 2017 and 2023, though it can still occur in later models. Before attempting more complex solutions, try a simple reset procedure for your Tesla Model 3 parking brake. First method, shift your vehicle into neutral, then into park. This basic cycling can reset the electronic parking brake system. Alternatively, use the touchscreen menu to manually cycle the parking brake on and off. This provides direct control over the system. If sensors are falsely detecting instability, this reset might clear the error and release the brake. This initial troubleshooting step is successful for many minor software glitches. If the standard reset fails, Tesla recommends a more advanced brake release procedure. Start by firmly pressing and holding the brake pedal. While holding the brake, press the parking brake release button on the touchscreen, then carefully shift gears. This method can override certain software locks and mechanically disengage the brake. As a last resort, when other methods fail, use the manual emergency release. Locate the release lever under the driver's seat near the seat rail. Pull this lever to mechanically disengage the parking brake. Note, this should only be used in emergencies, as it might require professional servicing afterwards and could void your warranty if not done correctly. Keeping your Tesla's software up to date is crucial for optimal performance. Tesla has released major updates like V12 and V13 that specifically improve the electronic parking brake system. These updates include enhanced diagnostics for the EPB system, helping detect potential issues before they become major problems. The system now uses machine learning to monitor brake sensors for anomalies. Use the Tesla mobile app for convenient diagnostics. The app can flag potential EPB issues early, allowing you to address them before they escalate into stuck brake problems. With these updates, the system can automatically reset itself when anomalies are detected, significantly reducing the likelihood of stuck parking brake incidents. To minimize future issues with your Tesla Model 3's electronic parking brake, practice preventative maintenance. These simple steps can help avoid stuck brake incidents and extend the system's reliability. First, avoid parking your Model 3 on steep slopes without using wheel chocks. The electronic parking brake may not hold the vehicle securely on inclines, potentially leading to rollaway incidents. Wheel chocks provide extra stability and prevent unexpected movement. Second, regularly check the health of your 12 volts auxiliary battery. The electronic parking brake system depends on this battery for consistent power. A weak or failing battery can cause EPB malfunctions, including failure to engage or release properly. Use a multimeter or Tesla's diagnostics to monitor voltage levels. Third, periodically check the electronic parking brake status in your vehicle's settings menu. Navigate to Controls, then Pedals and Steering, and select Parking Brake to view system diagnostics and status indicators. This allows you to monitor for any early warning signs of potential issues. Finally, schedule annual electronic parking brake calibrations during your routine checkups at a Tesla service center. These calibrations ensure the system's sensors and actuators are properly aligned and functioning correctly. Tesla technicians can perform diagnostic tests and make any necessary adjustments to prevent future problems. By following these preventative measures, you can significantly reduce the risk of electronic parking brake issues and ensure your Tesla Model 3 remains safe and reliable. Common causes of stuck parking brakes include outdated firmware, which can lead to software glitches affecting the brake system. Bugs in autopilot integration can cause erroneous sensor readings, triggering false brake engagement. Worn actuators reduce the motor's ability to properly engage and release the brake. Faulty wiring can disrupt electrical signals needed for brake operation. Corrosion from moisture and environmental exposure damages the motor assembly. Extreme temperatures, especially cold, affect motor torque and component contraction. Overriding the system manually can lead to complications if not done correctly. Performing incomplete resets can leave the brake in an unstable condition. Understanding these causes helps in prevention. Regular maintenance and software updates are key to avoiding issues. If the parking brake remains stuck after attempting all the troubleshooting solutions, it's crucial to seek professional help immediately. Contact Tesla service or an authorized repair shop to avoid causing further damage to your vehicle. Continuing to force the system manually can lead to expensive repairs or safety issues. Professionals have the tools to diagnose hardware problems like faulty actuators and perform necessary replacements. Tesla's authorized shops offer quality workmanship, direct insurance billing, and lifetime guarantees on repairs. For the latest service options, visit a Tesla service center or check their website.